Yeah, guys. So last time we discussed the journal creation in spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet. So I hope that everyone practiced this functionality. If you have any questions on journal, manual journal creation or uploading the journal with Excel spreadsheet, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can go ahead with next topic. Let me know you have faced any issue till now. Yeah, Ranjita, Bhuvana, any issue you faced till now during configuration or transactions?
Sir, actually, I didn't practice this. That is the reason I can't tell you now.
Okay. Okay, so let me start the next topic. Creating a journal or journal conversion.
Sir, can I ask a small question?
Yeah, sure.
Just one doubt. Do we need to define the accounting method for all subledgers, or is it just one is enough?
Yeah, so one is enough. But suppose your accounting method is standard accrual, right? Seeded accrual. And if you want to customize this, just what you can do, you copy the accounting method and customize. Don't directly do any customization.
Yeah, my doubt is for different subledgers, do we need to define separately for each subledger?
No, see, accounting method, seeded accounting method have all subledger models available. Na? Seeded accounting rules, everything will be there. You just
Correct.
have,
But last time in last session we defined one subledger.
Yeah.
For example, here we you explain about the how can we define the accounting method for payable, right?
Not payable, everything. Jay. Once you copy the standard accrual method, it will copy everything like payable, receivable, assets, cash management, accounting rules for everything. Seeded accounting rules, it will be copied to your new accounting method.
Okay. So we can define for only one subledger. So by default, system will take for the seeded one for all subledgers, right?
Yeah, it will copy all of them to your new subledger accounting method. And later, when you are going to customize anything, you can go to that module, subledger accounting event, and you can customize. I can show you. If you have any doubt, let me go to. See, let me go to setup and maintenance. Okay. Setup and maintenance, general ledger. Manage accounting method. See. So we created Tata accounting method, right?
Right.
So what we did, we just copy paste, like we copied, duplicated that standard accrual method and created a new one.
For payable.
Yeah, it's not, it's under payable, but see, you can see everything is there. Payable, cost management, asset, receivable, right?
Okay. Got it. So we need to define for just one ledger. System will take care of. It will deploy for all subledgers. Right.
Yeah,
That
yes.
was my doubt.
Yeah. So, but the architecture will be same for all. Okay. And your accounting event, journal entry rule set, state assignment. So it will be automatically assigned for all subledgers. Then you can go to each event class. If you want to customize payable, you can go to invoice, payment, and go to rule set and respective rule set, and you can customize. If you want to customize anything for assets, you can go to asset. You can see all the event models for assets. Receivable. So you can, it does not matter to which subledger you are going, but architecture, accounting overall architecture belongs to all the subledgers.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. So we can start with our today's topic, conversion. So conversion means you are creating a journal in foreign currency. What is foreign currency? Anything other than your functional currency. So our functional currency is INR. Functional currency, ledger currency, or functional currency. Okay. So our functional currency is INR. But we want, like, our business is operating in India, but we have some transactions we want to create with other currency, made European currency or Canadian dollar or Singaporean dollar or US dollar. Suppose you want to create one foreign transactions in USD. Okay. So that we can handle through this conversions or create journal in functional currency. So before that, we have to build a relationship between two currency, and we need to maintain in system, Oracle systems. What is the exchange rate between both the currency, INR and USD? Otherwise, you can do it. Suppose let me go to journal creation. General accounting. Journal. Create journal. Okay. So you can see by default our functional currency or transaction currency is INR because it's defaulting from our Tata primary ledger, right? But in the LOB, you can see a lot of other currency like USD, Euro, GBP. So these are all the international currencies available to do transactions. So Oracle allow you to create transactions in other than ledger currency. Why? Because our business is not restricted to any particular country, particular geography, or locations. Right? So it's giving the privilege to create transactions in any currency you want. Suppose you want to create any transaction through USD. Okay. We are selling something to USA zone or US geography and create some transactions in USD. So how it works actually? So we have two kind of currency. One is your ledger currency, and another is foreign currency. So it will generate two kind of balance, entered currency balance and accounting currency balance. It will generate two amount in the journal line. So let us see how it works. Create this foreign currency. So create one journal, category is manual. Data sub. HR department, data software company, and I have some expenses for salary. Okay. Department is HR, account is cash. We are paying cash or bank. So we are paying in foreign currency, USD currency. And you can see here, once I change the currency to USD, it is showing your exchange rate or conversion rate. Okay. So it's the current conversion rate, like $1 equal to 76 rupees. So automatically it is converting this amount. It will convert this amount, whatever amount, to Indian currency. So $1 is equal to 76 rupees. That means, so that is exchange rate you have to define or maintain in system. It can be daily exchange rate or period exchange rate. As per your requirement, we have to maintain, so that whenever we are creating any foreign currency journal, it will capture that and convert that amount to your functional currency. That conversion rate we have to maintain in Oracle. So now let us go to here that journal line and see. See, I created the journal in USD. So 100 USD entered currency. So what is the entered currency amount? USD amount is 100. What is the accounted currency amount? Accounted currency is INR or our ledger currency. So it is converting to, it's multiplying the 76 into 100 and providing you the final accounted amount in INR. You got me, right? Any question? Let me know any questions. So now we can complete this journal. And you can post this journal. Manage journal. So now it is available and posted. The best status is now posted. So this is called foreign currency journal. Now I will show you how it is coming, from where this conversion rate is coming. Pandava, any questions?
No, thank you.
Ranjita?
No, sir, no.
Now there is a setup called manage daily rates. So if you navigate to this that, you will see here currency rate manager. So in every big organization, there is a practice that every day they will calculate, maintain the daily rates for all currencies or in international currency to their functional currency, and they will maintain this exchange rate on daily basis. So they will upload. So now Oracle has created this sample data. So suppose I want to find out from INR what is the exchange rate between INR to USD. But today's date or complete April date, April 1 to 30th April. See, so these all rates are available in systems, and whenever you are creating any foreign currency journal, it is capturing the exchange rate from this configurations, daily rate manager. So you have to maintain this. This is a regular practice to maintain all these exchange rate. You can see all the currencies are available here. Whatever available valid currency for all countries are maintaining here. How you can upload this currency? Like how if you are maintaining this on daily basis, what is the method? You can again upload this through Excel. So Oracle provided seeded template, ADAPI template to upload this currency rates. If you click on a create in spreadsheet, it will download one Excel template. So open it. If you open it, and it will ask for connectivity to server, login detail. Somehow I could not log in. Let me try again. So once you provide the credentials, it will establish the connectivity between your template and server. So now complete template is available. So you can just give your currency details from USD to INR. Suppose current rate is about 76. So today's rate is something different. So I'll conversion rate. Suppose corporate. Usually people or all the business, they will follow the conversion rate, corporate conversion rate. You can create your user-defined conversion rate type also. So there are a lot of shaded conversion rate types available. So I'm taking the corporate one from date to date. You have to provide here.
So conversion rate is it depends means it's not constant, na, sir. It's vary day by means in every day it is different.
Yeah, that's why we have to load every day.
Every day.
Yeah, every day. Every day. So it depends upon company policy. So if the company wants to maintain a constant rate, even if it is changed every day, you have to suppose 76 will be for the month. I will just fix the 76 as the conversion rate.
Means it is not means just like whatever the rate by default it not take the rate for that particular date.
You have to load it. How Oracle will know that rates we have to maintain, upload through this Excel every day. Then it will take. How Oracle, whatever data I like demonstrate, that these are all sample data, right? So now real time, what the practice is, every day there is a finance department. They will finalize what is the rate between INR and USD or any other currency, and they will create these rates and upload. That's a daily activity. In some cases, they will just load the period and rates. Like any one rate they will take for that month. They usually regular transactions use daily rates. So there are two kind of rates. Either you can maintain one period and rate. 76 means it will across the month it will be 76. Daily rates means every day you have to load as per the changes.
Srini.
Yeah.
Hi, Srini.
Yeah.
Now in UAE and AED and USD, it will be constant for years, for like 1 year and all.
Oh,
so,
constant, huh?
Yeah, here we don't. AED is not fluctuated regularly, even not monthly.
Yeah. So that's fine. So this is depends upon your company policy, how you want to maintain. Because in this way you have to capture your exchange rate gain and loss, right? Every day.
Yeah, that's correct. No. My concern is that it depends on only companies or the country wise also, because here
company and country also.
Okay.
Main country actually, mainly company policy. Even if you are in UAE,
okay,
if you want to maintain daily rates, you can maintain.
Okay.
There is no such government regulation that you will maintain a fixed rate for exchange rate, right?
Okay.
You can use the market standard. You can use the market standard.
Okay. Thank you.
Suppose today it is 74. Sorry, this is date we have to give. Today's date is what is the date for today? Let me check. Now it is 75. Corporate rate, it is 75. I change it to 70. 2. Inverse rate, it will automatically populate. No need to populate here. Similarly, for every rate, like whatever rates you want to maintain, you can upload here. Yes. Thousands of lines you can create for the lines on daily basis. Yes, you can maintain a standard template and upload every day. There is what happens in real time. There is a schedule process they create, custom schedule process. So they'll prepare the file and there is a FTP folder, and they will place that file into that folder, and this schedule process through OIC integrations. Okay, Oracle Integration Cloud Service. So there is a program what it will look for that FTP server on daily basis on a specific time, because the program is scheduled daily rate. It's a scheduled program. It will pick that file, process that file, and interface to Oracle, so that there should not be any manual activity every day we have to do. It's a real-time practice. Then we can load, submit. Some data error is there, what is the error? So from conversion date, so date format did not look good. Maybe
Sir, that conversion formula we need to write, or it will is default, sir?
there is no formula, conversion formula. No, there is no such formula. You have to directly give that rate. Here.
Okay, no, just means how to convert the INR to USD dollar or USD dollar to INR, or any two different countries currencies there. Means if we want to convert the USD into the UAE, so how we can do that? Is it by
You are
default any
uploading now.
formula?
So here you have to upload. There is no such formula. Directly you have to create the from currency to to currency, provide the date, from date and to date, and provide the what the today's date, exchange rate. That's all.
Okay.
No, she might want to understand how we can know the rate.
Oh, rate. Rate, there is there are a lot of people available in the department, finance department, and they are giving that responsibility to find out the exchange rate for today, or for the month, or for the quarter. So they have to maintain. So there is a company, legal department, finance department. So these people are responsible to find out. So how the banks, if you go to banks portal, you will see the exchange rate for all currencies. So every bank has different exchange rate. You will find out there is no similar exchange rate for each of the bank. Different exchange rate for different banks, financial institutions, or if you go to any exchange rate, people who are giving that service, okay, exchanging cash to other currencies.
Yeah.
You will see that all the rates are listed, but it is not uniform.
में जाकर नाश्ता लेकर आ, नहीं तो कुछ बनाते हैं अभी खाते हैं.
Hello? Yes, Sri. You are telling something?
Yeah, sir. No, clear, Shri.
Yeah. Okay.
Rajita, do you have any queries again?
No.
Sir. Sir,
Clear, right?
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am. Go ahead.
We are giving a manually entry for even currency conversion for each transaction, no?
Uh-huh.
then why we need to again give a separate Excel upload?
Where we are giving manually.
No, you taught us now how when you are posting in a journal in foreign currency, how we do things, right?
Journal, how it is populating automatically. We are not giving manually.
You know, so for in the Excel we have to give manually for each entry, then for each business transaction.
These two are separate things. It's a part of setup, configuration. I'm just showing from where it is coming. Once you create journal, if there is no exchange rate available, then you cannot create this journal,
This journal.
currency journal. See, this is
No.
coming automatically from this setup,
It's mandatory to give an Excel, then only it will take into account.
Yeah, it's mandatory to do that setup before you create any foreign currency journal.
Fine.
Yeah.
And sir, one question is again, hello.
Yeah.
So as we have created our project for the Tata, and that is in India only, we have not considered any, not taken any, our calendar is also INR only. We have created the calendar in INR,
Yeah.
not in foreign currency. So why we means why there is a need of foreign currency ledger is required? Means this what the setups today we are doing.
This is
Is
not
it-
foreign currency ledger. This is just we are creating a journal in foreign currency.
Yes. So, is it required to create the ledger in foreign currency if the project belongs to only India and all the transactions belongs to India only?
At India, na, see, if you see the greater picture, like Tata is not a Indian company, so they have business unit, business operation in all countries.
Yes.
So you are not restricted to create transaction only in Indian currency. Okay, if you are operating in USA, you are bound to transact in USD currency. If you are operating in Canada, you have to do transaction in Canadian dollar. They will not accept INR, right?
Yes.
So that's why I'm showing this example, how you can create foreign currency journal. So later there are other things we will discuss. What is reporting currency ledger and how you can create ledger in foreign currency. That also I will show you. But here simply just I'm showing how you can create a foreign currency journal.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It is
Thank you.
required. This is a regular practice. So you are a MNC. Tata is a MNC company. It's not like a company which is restricted to any specific location or geography. That's why this is a mandatory setup.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Now try to upload it. So row inserted successfully. And let us see if it is updating that rate for this specific date. USD to INR. See, now it is updated. Earlier it was 75. I updated the rates to 72. So in earlier version, there was this Excel functionality. Was not there, I think, but here in Fusion, you can maintain the daily rates through ADFD sheet. So in this way, you can maintain your daily rate. Now let me show you daily rates. Another is period rates. There are different kind of rates. Period average rate. Okay. Daily rates, period average rate. Daily rate used for this day-to-day transactions. Every day we have requirement to create foreign currency journal. So you can use this daily rates. Period rates used for period and process. Okay. Period rates means any rates at the period end. Like today is the 30th April. So every period end at the last date of the period or any like specific 25th to 25th April to 30th April. We are maintaining one single rate. So period rate. Daily rates means every day it will change. Period rate it will be fixed. Period average rate means the average of all the daily rates. Like every day we have some specific rate and average of that rate, all the 30 days rates will be the period average rates. In some companies like bank and financial institutions, there is the period average rate. You got me, right? Now the next concept is reporting currency ledger. We discussed primary ledger. We will discuss the reporting currency ledger and secondary ledger. The primary ledger is our data primary ledger with functional currency INR. The reporting currency ledger, suppose we have business operation in USA and we want to report all our financial transactions in other currency. Okay. So in this way, you can create your reporting currency ledgers. That's the requirement. You want to report all your INR details to USD currencies. For that purpose, we can maintain a different ledgers, reporting currency ledger. In this case, the ledger currency will be USD, and this ledger we can link to your primary ledger. We'll do this kind of setup so that whenever we create any transaction in primary currency, automatically it will convert this journal to reporting currency ledger. It will convert to USD currency balance and it will post to this ledger also. So whenever the management want to see all the financial transactions in a different currency, they can do this through reporting currency ledger. Any question? Pandurang, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Any question? What? Ranjita? Regarding reporting? So we can go to financial. General ledger. Manage reporting currencies. Okay, so this is the setup here. There one option is there, select and add, create new. So we have not created any reporting currency till now. Apply and go to tab. So we'll create one reporting currency ledger and link this to our primary ledger. Data. Data reporting. Startup account. Our data. Startup account will be same. Only the currency will be different. Okay. So accounting calendar. Will be data calendar. And the reporting currency is the USD. Accounting method, data standard accrual. Data conversion level is journal. So what is the conversion level? Means when you create any journal in data primary ledger, automatically it will create the same journal in USD currency in the reporting ledger. We don't to like go separately, we have to go to reporting currency ledger and create that journal. Directly it will create. Save and close. You can only use an accounting method for secondary ledgers at the sub ledger. Okay. Save and close. Now we have defined the reporting currency. Now we can go to mapping and create the data mapping. What kind of data you want to map the primary ledger to reporting ledgers? Where is the setup? Manage. complete primary to secondary ledger mapping. But before that, we have to create the specify ledger option. The status is showing as in progress. We have to complete this ledger setup first, and then we can map. But let me show you what exactly you can map here. Data primary ledger, data reporting ledger. So currency conversion rules. Your data conversion rate type. Which rate type? Like as in journal, I told you like what the corporate exchange rate you can maintain here. And what kind of journal I can convert? Okay. What kind of journal? So written journal created from source ledger. So if you have created any journal in primary ledgers, the same guys will be appearing in the reporting currency also. That guy has created this journal. If you click on yes, in the reporting journal, the journal creator name will be same. Post journal automatically from source ledger, right? Yeah. So whenever, because in primary ledger we have to go to that journal and post that journal. But in reporting currency, once you create, if this enable this option, yes, automatically once you create and post the journal in primary journal, primary ledger, it will post that journal into reporting currency ledger also. If you click on yes, save and close. The journal sources, others, I'll add some more manual journal. Category, manual. Any manual journal I create, it will convert to reporting ledger. Save and close. So this is a regular message actually. Ignore this. Let me complete the reporting currency ledger setup. Specify ledger option. Data primary. Not managed language. Specify ledger option for secondary ledgers. Return earning. So this is our 50001 is our return earning account. I'm ignoring all of these option now. Save and close. Review, submit the accounting configuration for reporting. Yeah, submit. Manage primary ledger. It's reporting branch. Manage secondary ledgers. Yeah, so now the status is complete, green. You can see that for Tata primary ledger, the reporting ledger or secondary ledgers is the which is linked to your primary ledgers, and the status is now complete. So now let's start creating one journal. In primary ledger. Go to general accounting, journal. Test journal, reporting. So I will create the journal in Indian currency, in my functional currency, but I will report this journal in other currency, in USD currency. It should, if everything is right, the setup is correct, then it should convert this journal. I am purchasing some machinery in Indian currency. Bank account. Let us create this journal and post it. Manage journal. So now you can see that it could not be posted. What is the issue here? The accounting period for the April is not open for the secondary ledger data reporting ledgers. So you know we just now linked the reporting ledgers to our primary ledgers. So because we posted it in primary ledgers, so it should also post in the reporting ledgers. But as the reporting period, reporting currency ledger period is not open, we are getting this warning message. Okay, so that's why before posting the journal in primary ledger, make sure that the reporting currency ledger should be open, period should be open. Now what we can do, we can go to reporting currency ledger and open that period. Journal, period close. So now we are only getting this ledger, primary ledger in the list. Why? Because we have not provided the data access for the reporting ledger. We go to setup, create data access set for user, manage data access for user. Provide the data access for this user here, user. General accountant, data access set for the reporting. Data reporting ledger. General accounting managers. Save and close. Now try to open this again. Okay. It will take some time to get that reporting ledger in the list. Let me log out and log in again. Still it is not updated. Once this data access set is updated, we can go to reporting currency ledger and we can check the journal. Once we post this journal in primary ledger. Yeah, still it is not showing. So it will take some time to update this reporting ledgers. So once it is available here, you can go to general ledgers and open the reporting ledger period for April. Then it will allow you to post. Yeah, I think it's came now. Yeah. So Tata reporting ledger is coming now. So open the April period. January. One by one, we have to open till April for reporting. Again, go to till now. January is open. The February one. Again, go to March. Open the period. Now April period is open. Let me show you. Yeah, so April period is open. May period is future entering. Okay. So now let us go back to journal screen and find out that journal. Change the primary ledger here. So this journal we have created and we are getting this error. Accounting period April is not open for secondary ledger, but we have opened the secondary ledger period now. So we should not get this warning message again. So try to post this. Just wait for some times to complete the background process. Yeah, it's now posted. This message disappear now. So what we can do now, we can go to your reporting currency to check if same journal created in USD currency or not. So now the primary ledger we created in INR currency. Now we need to make sure that same journal is created in reporting also. See, this we have not created, this automatic process. Just it picked the data, picked the information from the primary ledger and created the same journal and posted in this reporting ledger. Got me, right? See, it automatically it is converting that into USD. The conversion it is picking from the Delhi rates table. Any questions? Let me know. Yeah, Pandurang, Ranjita, Bhuvana, Sweetie,
So
Srinivas.
thank
This is the functionality of reporting currency ledger and secondary ledgers, just for reporting purpose. Okay. Secondary ledger, in reporting currency ledger, you can only change the currency. But in secondary ledger, you can assign different accounting method, different calendar, okay, or different currency. This for reporting purpose, Oracle has provided this functionality to create transactions in one currency and convert to reporting in other currencies. Financial reporting requirement is the main purpose where we maintain this different kind of ledgers for different currency. So we'll stop here today. We'll wind up the call. So if you have any questions for today's session, you can ask. Srinivas?